I've got a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 804 square feet, completely renovated unit for you today. It's located here at the Pacifica, a concrete high-rise building in the heart of Cambie Village. You're along the Cambie corridor with tons of shopping, Hillcrest Community Center, Queenie Park, Skytrain, and everything that you need. There are so many features and details of this home that I can't wait to show you. Let's come on and give you a tour. This 2-bedroom home features an open floor plan with spacious living room, dining area. This home has been completely renovated, including this amazing kitchen. I absolutely love the quartz countertop with the white tiling and also the gray cabinetry. This also has the Samung stainless steel appliance package. What I absolutely love is these gold hardware that really accentuates the unit. And you have a deep undermount sink. And this kitchen, you can also have so many ideas. Imagine having a little island here and really entertaining your guests any time of the year. The building features a fantastic pool, jacuzzi, gym, party room, and even a guest suite. A highlight of this home is how truly open concept it is. You're moving from your kitchen now into your dining room to this 8-seater table that's great for entertaining. And now we move into your living room. I absolutely love these herringbone floors that are throughout the home. And another feature that's great are these floor-to-ceiling windows with a south-facing deck that bring in so much natural light into the living room and into this home for you to enjoy. A highlight is the spa-inspired bathroom with gold faucets, beautiful tile work, porcelain tiles, and a Japanese toilet. Perfect for a bath to relax and unwind. This home comes with 1 secured parking as well as a bike room. And here is your covered balcony that you can use all year round. Imagine cooking, barbecuing, entertaining your friends out here on this large deck. Plus, you have so much privacy. You're not looking directly into any other building. You have this long road that opens up into this bright, spacious, south-facing deck. And you're in the heart of Cambie Village, right on Cambie and 16th. You're only 10 minutes to downtown, 15 to Richmond. Everything that you need is all around you. Shopping, restaurants, amenities, and more. If you want to take a look at this amazing unit, feel free to contact me. My name's Denise Mai, and I'm more than happy to set up a viewing with you.